Hello and welcome back guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sell and ship any item on StockX. So starting off with, click the My Account button. This will then open up your profile page showing you the different fees for your different items. You're then going to select the Selling tab, then the Pending tab. So my page will be slightly different as I've already shipped off my item, but where I've highlighted is where you select Print Shipping Label. This will then open up two pages. You've got the first page here, you just simply put that into the shipping box. I'll show you this later. The second page is your shipping label. So the items you're going to need is your shipping box, which is similar size to your item, some packing paper, bubble wrap, anything you can find, the 2-page from before, packaging tape and scissors. So I've got my PS5 here. I'm going to put this into my shipping box. So as you can see, there's a bit of space on the side. So what you need to do is fill this up with something that will help protect it. Because if your item comes damaged to StockX, they're going to charge you. This will stop it from moving around. So I'm going to fill this up as much as I can. And then I'm going to take my first page and just simply place it into my box. So if you're selling shoes, you actually have to put it inside the box, but my item's brand new, so I can't do that. I'm then going to take some packaging tape. So it's important that it's packaging tape because StockX don't accept masking tape or sellotape. And then you do it via the H method, which I'm going to show you now. So you first sellotape, or should I say packing tape, the middle section. Then you just simply do the same on the sides. It's going to create a H. If you want to double tape it, that's fine too. So you're going to take your shipping label, cut it out, and then, as before, just tape it onto your box. And once you've done that, you pretty much have your package ready to sell and ship on StockX. So if you guys want me to show you anything else on StockX or any other pages, put it into the comments below and I'll make a video about that too. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe if you're new.